under the curse.
It is 8:40 Easter Sunday morning. I got the service call for a 2-door freezer. It's a reach-in freezer. They said it smells like burnt plastic and smoke came out of it. Bit old for the factory smoke to come out, but I told them I'd come over and take a look at it. It's just me and the wife today. I got one kid in college, and the daughter's, she's adulting and doing the stuff, her stuff today. So it's just me and the wife. So I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go to work and check this out. So let's get out here and see what's going on. I'll bring you guys along for the little Easter Sunday service call. Let's do it. Look at that beautiful Santa Cruz. The sun's out. Supposedly we've turned the corner on the storms and the crappy weather, they're saying. And this is going to be a nice day today. It's going to be nice and sunny. I'm going to try and get this service call done. Then I got to do some chores around the house a little bit and pick some things up at the grocery store for the wife. And I'm going to try and get the old Lowrider S out on the road later. And maybe I'll tie that into this video too. So stay tuned. All right, here we are. We're gonna pull up right here front and center like we own the place. And I think the freezer's right on the other side of that door right there. So let's see what we're getting into. Yeah, let's get tippy. Come on, Mr. Tippins. Behave yourself. I need some knee pads. I'm rocking these 1620 work pants today. These are really nice. A little bit different style work pant. Zippers, pockets, things everywhere. They're expensive, but they're really nice, good quality pair of pants. Let me get the knee pros and we'll get in there. All right, there it is. That's the burned up time clock. And that's a bummer. I don't think I stocked that stupid thing. The grassland timer. Torched. Alright, so I don't have this defrost timer on the van. What I'd rather do is just let it run as a freezer. So, if you look right here, this is my cooling circuit is going to come off F on this one, 3. This wire here is a defrost heater, 1, power coming in, N was neutral just for the timer. 4 was supposed to go over to the thermostat, but there is no 4 on here, they're just using this one. So I need to take 1 and what used to be F here and put these together, these two together, and I think we'll have a freezer. And then this is defrost heater, defrost termination, neutral and hot, and that's it. Let me go get some wire nuts and we'll make it happen. Down, down, down. There we go. We're gonna get these two together and see if it'll work. And then order up. That is torched. Meltititis to the Midas. All right, let's see if this thing will run. All right, running. Just so they don't lose their product. And then what will happen is, it's not going to defrost, so the coil's going to ice up. But it'll get it by. I got the thing ordered. I found one on Prime that ICM makes a copy of it. Pretty good pricing on Amazon Prime, so I'll have that time clock tomorrow, and I'll come out here tomorrow night and put it in, run it through a big old defrost, and it's time for some new knee pros. I flatten those out, dude. Crazy. Come on, Tippy. Let's put you back in your cage. And oh, what a great day, dude. Sun is shining. The weather is sweet. That's a Bob Marley lyric. And makes you want to move your dancing feet. Here I am to the rescue. Freaking NorCal saving the Easter ham at the taqueria. Oh, I think I'll grab some water. I got a little bit left in that one. Stay hydrated, my friends.